Good morning, world, and welcome to Science with Martina! Woo! Today, we're going to learn about how cigarettes affect in our life and in our health. Cigarettes cause lung diseases, bronchitis, difficulties to get pregnant, weaken bones, change in sight and in memory. Your arteries get narrow, which causes heart diseases. Also, smoking kills more than 8 million people in a single year. Nicotine is a drug that affects the thalamus, central part of the brain. It controls actions that we are already used to. If you start smoking, as soon as it notices a low level of nicotine in the blood, unconsciously you will put a cigarette in your mouth. It is addictive. Consequences: you can't quit smoking or fall into a depression when you are trying to quit. Also, you abandon social activities and isolate yourself from the world. Tar is toxic and damages the smoker's lungs. Tar also damages the mouth by rotting and blackening colors, but not very good fat. Cigarettes cause cancer everywhere it passes through.
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide is a gas. It enters inside your lungs and affects the cilia, so the air that diffuses with your blood is not clean anymore. As I told before, carbon monoxide diffuses with the blood, so you will have a low level of oxygen. As cells need oxygen, they start to die, and if they have no oxygen and die, you will have less energy. Also, you can have difficulties at breathing. Particulates are made of many different types of substances. They affect the cells in the walls of the lungs and break them. This makes the little oxygen that remains difficult to mix with the blood. After watching this video, we've learned how cigarettes affect to us, but also it harms nature. Smoking is bad, it's a long way to die. Maybe it's difficult, but stop and save your health and our world.